It's no secret that there's a shortage of AMEs. Many aviation industries rely on AMEs, and each are impacted in different ways. Some experience an outright shortage of qualified personnel, while others see a degradation in experience levels. The AME experience gap is an important factor when looking at the global AME issues. How do we transfer knowledge and develop competence in new AMEs? One option in knowledge transfer and competency development initiatives is a Work Integrated Learning WILL program. A WILL program allows potential AMEs to get exposure to the industry and gain experience, receive knowledge from experienced and skilled AMEs. The WILL program ensures AMEs enter the workforce with experience and understanding of how an operation and its many complexities run. In order to address an experience and possible skill gap, it's important to emphasize competence. Some aspects of technical training are based on completing a certain number of hours. However, training based on time does not necessarily translate into competence. It's for this reason that it's important to adopt a competency-based approach to emphasize competency development and competency attestation. To meet the needs of the industry and to ensure the most effective and relevant training is available, training standards must be updated to capture the evolution of our industry and our current reality. Not only do we need to shift towards competency-based training, but with new and emerging technologies, AMEs must have a more multifaceted training and authority. The next generation of AMEs should be multidisciplinary technicians that can work on all aircraft systems. Industry needs to address the gaps identified in order to fill the void. We need regulators, academia, and industry to come together to identify these gaps and take a concerted direction in revising CARS training standards and adding more skills and competency-based training into technical training programs.